Hello, welcome my aces and other YouTubers. This is DJ, and here's my first gaming PC build. The processor I am using is a quad-core FX AMD Unlocked. Now this isn't going to be a very special build because I'm not the richest person on earth. I am using 4 gigs of RAM. I do not remember the speed, and stock cooling for the CPU. This is an Entorque, or in the Spanish language, Entorque Ultra mid-tower case. I chose this because it was decently priced at $40. Yep, full metal. I do struggle. First build, no one gets it perfect. Do they? This motherboard is Asus, or some people call it Asus, and I chose it because it could handle what I needed, and I like blue. I just didn't choose it because of color, because that'd be a very bad idea. Got the standoffs in there, checking it, trying to get it in the IO shield. And then time to screw it. Here I am just putting a fan. In this build I do have a few old parts from my old computer, because they still worked. This is including an 80mm fan, a 100mm fan, and my hard drive, which is 640 gigabytes. Well, not to mention my CD-ROM / burn drive. And also, I'm forgetting a lot of things. My no, not a solid state drive, my SD card reader. And this here is my Corsair Gaming Series 800 watt power supply that comes in 3 different colors, or off, blue, red, or white. I kind of went overkill. This was the first thing I bought when I started building my gaming PC, because I don't have any explanation. But at least I have enough power for anything. There's the CD-ROM I've been talking about. It is broken in the front because I do have siblings that have no idea how to open this thing when it has no power. Ha. And my PC before this was just a regular computer that I installed a graphics card on there. That was a bad choice, because I ended up burning that PC in 2 years. And then I lived without a computer for 2 years, saving up to build this PC here, which brings you games. But the graphics card you will see in this build is a very old graphics card. Sorry. The graphics card here is the GeForce GS 8400, right there, with a very small fan. If you go back in my first videos, I think the first 5 is where I actually use this card, and then I get a replacement, which was the GT630 in PNY. That was a pretty good card. I have done my research on computers for the 2 years I didn't have one, and it paid off. I didn't mess anything up. I'm glad. Here we go with a 120mm blue LED fan. I want make my PC look a little good, you know? So I tried installing that in the back and then realized, no, that's not very smart. So I ended up putting it on chassis 3 fan port, since it's closer to the window shield. Not to mention, my AMD processor is 3.8 gigahertz. Well, I think that is good enough for starting. I learned how weird it is to put fans, because you gotta make the threads yourself. Either that, or I just buy the ones that you have to do that. There we go. I put it the wrong way. Is that startup? It has no operating system. Asus. And there. That tells us it's a go. Ready for an operating system to be installed. So guys, I hope you like this a little. I have something better coming very soon. It is an upgrade to this PC. This was recorded in February 2014. So guys, until next time.